Hi everybody, it's me Kavita Ravi. Today I want to explain you all regarding the artificial intelligence technology. Artificial intelligence is going to be the future of IT. So I will explain you about this technology in detail. Okay, what is meant by artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is process of creating the intelligence artificially using a software to function similar to the human brain. The difference between the human intelligence and artificial intelligence is that the human intelligence can't process a very huge set of data. It will be difficult for human brain to process a huge set of data and to give the output, take a proper decision at a right time will be difficult. In this case, we can use artificial intelligence. It will deal or it will process a huge set of data, and it will apply the concurrency and correlation between the data to find the patterns, and here it will match the patterns to find the solution, to take the decision. So here the artificial intelligence can be used to take a proper decision at the right time. And I will explain you about the applications, like where this one can be used. For example, consider an infrastructure which has so many blocks, so many rooms, so many floors. So here the maintaining uniform temperature throughout the infrastructure is very difficult for a human to go and control the temperature manually. In this case, what we can do is that we can connect all the sensors to the AI software, so that this software will decide whether to increase the temperature or to reduce the temperature. This will maintain a uniform temperature throughout the infrastructure, so that there will not be any room or any place which is too hot, or there will not be any place which is too cold. Instead, it will maintain a uniform temperature all over the infrastructure. Using this technology, the power consumption can also be reduced. And one more example is that this one can be used to get high quality of fruits and vegetables. Each plant need to grow under a certain temperature, and it needs a certain amount of fertilizer to get high quality of fruits and vegetables. So here what we can do is that we can instruct the AI software to give a certain temperature for each plant, so that a certain temperature, certain humidity level, certain fertilizer level, and the right amount of sunlight penetration, everything can be controlled, so that we can get a high quality of fruits and vegetables. Once we yield these fruits and vegetables, it need to be stored under the cold storage, so that the freshness can be maintained for longer duration. So this one can also be done using the AI instructions. We can give the instruction for the software to maintain the temperature. Good temperature need to be maintained for each type of fruits and vegetables to store it up to a maximum duration until consumption. This one can also be done using the AI. And another example is the Siri Alexa, the speech recognition software. This one is also using the AI software to perform a certain operations. It is using the natural language processing to get your input. It will process the data and it will produce the output. You can use the Siri to call a certain person, to send text messages, to use your applications inside your mobile, and all the operations can be done using Siri, using your command. And then one more application is that the Tesla, the autopilot, is also using the AI application. It is using the AI software to drive a car, or any other vehicles. It's having so many cameras all around the vehicles, and it's using the image segmentation technology to identify a clear picture of the road, and also to get a clear picture of the objects nearby the road, and also using the bird eye camera to get the picture in a high quality, and it is used to reduce the highway accidents. And one more example is that my friend, while she was returning from office, she has got fainted due to the low drop in her blood pressure. So what her smartwatch has done is that it has captured her blood pressure, heart rate, everything, and it has sent the notification to her immediate family members using the AI software regarding her blood pressure, and then the other health condition, along with the GPS location, so that her immediate family members can go and can save her at the right time. And this AI software can also be used in the recommendation, the data search engine operations. For example, the YouTube and Amazon is also using the AI algorithms to recommend you a certain product. For example, you are watching this video link might be shared by your friend, or the YouTube is recommending you to watch this video based on your previous search options. You would have searched for Kavita Ravi's videos, or the artificial intelligence concept. So this YouTube is recommending you to watch this video based on the AI algorithm. And the Amazon is also using the AI algorithm to recommend you to buy a certain product based on your previous search. For example, if you're going to buy a product for a 3 years old baby, the next time while you search, it will display the similar products based on your previous search. So this one is also suggesting you to buy a product based on your previous search, is also using the artificial intelligence algorithm. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care.